guys, a while ago, I don't even know if I like kept it in the video or if I edited it out, but I said in quite a few of my videos that I want to put a kill switch on my Jackson JS22. You may notice that I just used a hole that was already there and just made it bigger. That used to be the volume. This is the volume now. I moved the tone because he needs a tone.
Yeah, he doesn't use the tone.
It's kind of like a wah pedal. You don't know what to do with it for the first time.
Stop. I'm trying to match a neck angle. It's not working.